Shivani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna review two products which was sent to me by the brand Rickwill, and the products are underarm lightener and knee, neck, elbow lightener. So these were the newly launched products which they sent me with a sanitizer. It comes in a cardboard packaging and with a plastic bottle. It has got a pump dispenser which is really very easy to use, and you dispense enough product. Underarm lightener comes for 750 rupees and the knee, neck, elbow lightener comes for 800 rupees. So the quantity for both is same, it's 30 grams. Everything is written on the bottle itself, the ingredients, the expiry date, the manufacturing and everything. You don't really need to worry even if you throw the boxes away. I use this underarm lightener right after my shower. It's not really oily. I mean, you won't feel any stickiness or something. Also, you can use this like before sleeping at night. They have suggested it to use twice a day, and the knee, neck, elbow lightener can be used thrice a day. It's like depending upon you, whenever you get time you can use it. I prefer using it before sleeping and after the shower. Both the products are non-comedogenic and they won't cause you any breakouts, pimples or any bumps on your skin. It will keep your skin very hydrated and moisturized. The knee, neck, elbow lightener claims it promotes skin renewal, moisturizes and smoothens skin, and advanced skin lightening properties. Underarm lightener claims it is sweat and stain free gel formulation, long lasting, fresh and dry underarms. Yes, it keeps your underarms dry but not really dry. I mean, if you sweat a lot like me, then all the best. The texture, both the cream has got same consistency, same texture, and the underarm lightener is something like this. It's very lightweight, kind of a gel consistency, and absorbs very quickly. It is sweat proof and stain free. It won't really stain your clothes, so no worries. And it has got a very mild fragrance which won't irritate you at all, and it will keep your underarms very healthy and fresh throughout the day. And talking about my experience, I've used half a bottle of it and I have experienced a bit of changes in my underarms. It did work. I mean, it did actually work. You can't really expect changes overnight or in 2 weeks, but if you dedicatedly use any product on yourself, you need to be consistent and to see the results. And now talking about the knee, neck, elbow lightener, it again comes with the same dispenser, pump dispenser. Bottles are very sturdy and they are travel friendly, so you can carry them along with you anywhere. And this one has got same texture. This one has got same texture but with a different smell. I mean, the fragrance, it's again a mild fragrance and absorbs very quickly. I apply this every night on my knees and elbows and on my neck. To be honest, I haven't seen any drastic changes in my neck, knee and elbow. I mean, the skin on my knee and my elbows have become quite soft and moisturized, I feel. I mean, even if I apply any lotion or moisturizer, it will work the same. Anyways, I'll still keep using this until I finish the whole bottle. So yes, this was it, guys. I hope you enjoy this short reviews. I'll give the links from where you can buy this product. You can buy them from Amazon, you can buy them from the actual website. I'll link them down in the description below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.